Good morning, guys. It's time to change oil on my truck. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, of course, warm your vehicle up. Once you warm up your vehicle, go ahead under it and halfway remove this shield plate, and it's held down by 4 screws. One here. That one you can just loosen, so you can just turn this, and there's 2 right there. So once you move your shield out of the way, you will need 15mm socket, and go ahead, loosen this bolt. It's kind of hidden, but it's right there. Once you loosen that, go ahead, put your oil pan, and let's turn this. Once we got most of the oil drained out and you cleaned out your bolt, go ahead, let's put this back in there. Go ahead, clean out everything under it. Once it's clean, go ahead, grab your 15mm socket, and let's tighten this by hand. That should be good. Now we're gonna leave this shield off until we run this again to make sure nothing's leaking. Once this bolt is tight, let's go to the front side and remove oil filter. Alright, so here's the oil filter, and of course you go ahead, use your oil tool. Let's loosen this up. Once you loosen that a little bit, go ahead, put your oil pan catcher all the way here, okay? Do not put it in front of this. Oil will not come out through here. Put it through here. Once you do that, go ahead, remove your oil filter. This is where it's coming from. Remember, do not put it right there in front of this. Here's our oil filter. Let most of this oil drain out. So this is our new filter. Here's a part number. I'm going with Fram because they don't have original. So this is a good filter. Alright, so now most of our oil is drained out. Let's go ahead, clean this area. That looks good. Go ahead, grab your new oil filter. Make sure it has this seal right here. Once you remove your old one, make sure it has it on there also, okay? So go ahead, grab your new filter. Let's turn it on there. And you want this hand tight. Of course, don't over tighten it. Once everything warms up, it will seal itself pretty good. And go ahead, clean the rest of this oil. Go ahead, clean there. Go ahead, clean where it's draining. Now you could just take these 2 bolts off of here to get this plate out of the way, but I don't think there's a really reason you need to do that. Once everything clean, let's go to the front and add oil. Alright, so we're in the front. I got everything set up over here. And of course, if you don't know what oil you need, your cab will tell you, 5W30. And my truck, it takes 6 quarts. Alright, so we got all of our oil in. Go ahead, put your cap on. That's good. And now let's start your vehicle. And of course, go ahead, look under, make sure nothing is leaking. Hard to tell, but that looks good. Take a look of our drain plug. That looks good. Now if you don't see anything leaking, go ahead for a test drive around a block or two. Come back, double check. Once everything is good, let's go ahead to our vehicle. Okay. Go to your main menu. Display mode, hit OK. Now to reset your oil life, you need to hold this OK button and wait, and voila. And of course, if you have it, don't forget to put your shield back on. And that's it. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and you have a good day. Oh, if you have a catch can, don't forget to empty that out. Alright, have a good day.